IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Inawat ni Mayor James Brian Alcid iti commendation ngayon pahikan kuana ti 13th Sangguniang Panlusod iti Syudad Tilawag kabayatan iti maka 41st regular session ti Sangguniang Panlusod. Ditoy anagyaman ni Mayor Alcid iti commendation ngayon pahikan kuana gapo iti achievements anagunod iti Syudad Tilawag iti kalkalpas a Region 1 Athletic Association meet. Inayon na ada ito iti maysa kadagiti karirigatan akarit iti papanla iti opisina ti Mayor iti mang sustainer iti kinakampyonato iti R1AA.
Actually, I'm having goosebumps nga ada ditoy. It brings back memories. Ito'y naasa. Listening to all of you, your inputs, insights about the nadumang ordinances with the Jenna Kanamol, especially the pioneers as pioneer businessan apo di senior citizen kayo. Honorable Colorado Especio. And to all of you, thank you so much with yung commendation about the achievements tayo with the R1AA. This was one of the toughest challenge when I set for office when I assumed office to sustain the championship, the R1AA. I've been tasked and I've been challenged so many times to prove na what they told during the election time was wrong. First is my attitude, my behavior, so I've proven enough. So I told all my family members na I think I've proven enough. So did I forget one of the toughest challenge.
May naigiti da ito'y kinumendaran met ti Mayor digiti sports coordinators, trainers, coaches, digiti naganak iti Department of Education Schools Division Office Tilawag ken kang runana digiti atleta iti syudad. Nimbatad na nga iti nasa unga achievements da ket saan lain para kanya na no diket di para iti amin anang suporta kadakwada.
Also with the sports coordinator namely Apo Hipo, he was trying when we achieve Apo the R1AA champion. Kuna nagit I was vindicated nga hindi ko baka numati ticket basol ko kuna no kuna. So also, I would like also to commend all the sports coordinators, trainers, coaches, parents, DepEd, and also the especially the athletes apo. So that dating achievements apo, it's not us alone. It's not me alone. Amin kayo kasi dating road is city funded. Basit ti pundo da when we try our best to fund them, support them. Kung naladaw apo amok adult complaints sino duma parents naladaw hangagapot ang naladaw ti nagkuti nagulod at papel lang amin so nga inkarkarigatan tayo apo nga suportara ni Suda.
Impasigurado ni Mayor Alcid ang malaksid iti prestige winning iti R1AA ket masapol nga agserbi isuda kadagiti nagduduma ka sektor iti syudad babayan ti suporta ti 13th Sangguniang Panlusod. Para iti IFM News, Idol Rain Santos, Tatak, IFM
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.